The last piece of important information that I need to share with you about facial cupping is regarding cleaning and disinfecting your cups. So if you are using these cups for personal use and you're not using them on anyone else, then you can wash your cups thoroughly in warm, soapy water. And then afterwards, you can immerse them in boiling water or use a light disinfectant. And this will keep your cups nice and clean. If you are using these cups on other people, then you must go through the proper disinfection process. So we have this information available in the course, but again, high-level disinfection protocol is what is recommended for cleaning all cupping devices. So high-level disinfection starts with this thorough cleaning with soap and water, and then we do our high-level disinfection to make sure that we're not passing any blood and body fluids or communicable diseases on from one patient to another.